Welcome back to Cooking with Friends. So today, in honors of New Year's, I know a lot of people are cooking collard greens and black eyed peas, but we today will be showing you guys how we personally do our personal gumbo recipe. This is something that everyone in your home will enjoy. Seafood lovers, pork lovers, whatever. We will specifically be using seafood and andouille sausages. Now, you can add chicken to yours, but we're not adding it to it today. So the seafood that we'll be using is crab legs, shrimp, and that's it. Crab legs, shrimp, and sausages only. So yeah, so let's just sit back and let's get started, and we're going to go over all of the ingredients with you guys today.
Here we have a little bell pepper, onion, celery, lump crab meat is in your seafood section, green onion, diced tomatoes, andouille sausage, rice, butter, crab leg, snow crab here, shrimp, okra, king crab, and your seasonings. You have garlic, onion, garlic, salt, Mrs. Dash original blend. This is good for everything. Thyme, slap your mama, rosemary, garlic, and Creole seasoning. Straight from New Orleans.
Come true.